Right now we are in Baliyatra spot in Bhubaneswar, where this beautiful and interesting Suryakiran will happen, where lots of jet fighters will have different kind of acrobatic performances. But let's go and ask the person who has actually got some knowledge in this matter.
You see, tomorrow we are having the great Suryakiran show of Indian Air Force. Here a 9 aircraft formation will be there. They will be showing in the sky. Beautiful formation for the people of Odisha, as I say. Particularly Bhubaneswar people will be there. If anybody present in Bhubaneswar, they will definitely feel attracted towards this air show, because this is a life chance they are getting here to see the aerobatics. Aerobatics is not a common man's cup of tea. They generally come and see this thing with the full vigor at Kuakhai. Its name is Suryakiran because previously we are using Kiran. One jet aircraft was there for the training called Kiran. So that is why the name of our team was Suryakiran. And gradually, when that's Kiran, it's still in practice, but when the jet trainer Hawk came, these are Hawk jet trainer. Hawk means chanchana. When these Hawk jet trainers are there, they are very agile aircraft. Maneuverability is very high, so they can maneuver anything in the sky.
एयर शो देखा मत बहुत भल लगे देखा काली भी हम काली भी आसबि देखा आम बहुत खुशी अच्छी बहुत दिन पर देखा मिलला बहुत खुशी अच्छी से
आज तो रिहर्सल थिला काली हम शोटा जेतु सब बहुत भिड़ लगे देखा मिलूँ बहुत दिन पर भुवनेश्वर यहाँ ना फास्ट टाइम बहुत लोक आसवे
आगुरी हम कटक बहुत थर कटक जो देखी आईटा भुवनेश्वर मोर फास्ट भल लगे देखा कौन हो काली तो अच्छी सूर्यकिरण शोटा 16 तारीख दिन देखा लोक बहुत भिड़ हे निहाती भाव।
One message from our side, do not litter. आसपास गंदगी मत फैलाइए, because today the bird activity was slightly on the higher side. Tomorrow also the display is planned. If the bird activity is lesser, it will be easier for the team to carry out a display. So request to everyone, tomorrow or throughout their life, litter less. कम गंदगी फैलाएंगे तो birds नहीं आएंगे, and aviation wise, safety wise, it will be better for these aircrafts.
Do not litter this place, as birds will come to get on those litters and to eat the foods that we are throwing out there. And the problem is the birds, when it's completely crowded in the sky, it will get sucked into the jet engines, causing into a havoc situation. With camera person Chandan, this is Saurav from Orissapost Live.